Today I have a HP laserjet Pro 400 printer, and this printer problem is it's making noise and paper jam problem. Okay, let's see this problem and open this and turn on this, and you can see this noise and it's making very bad noise, and maybe here is any gear is broken. Today I'll fix this printer. Okay, let's start. Here is also another error message and 15.3 feature error. Turn off the printer and turn on. Today I will also fix this problem. And you can see this here, and this gear is the problem broken. Okay, on that reason that problem is happening. Let's open and check this and what is the gear condition. Okay. You just open this two screw. This is very simple. You just remember this, which parts you open from where, and after that I will open the fan. After opening the cooling fan, you just open the one screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay, after that you just pull it and it automatically come out from the setup. Gear broken dust of this. Check it which gear has broken, and this gear is broken from here, you can see it, and this gear also, and this gear condition is okay, and this gear also broken. I will change the both gear. Okay, and here is so many dust. So before I installing the new gear, I need to clean this properly. If you don't clean this properly, and your gear will be broken again. And you can see here is another gear also broken, and to change this because of this gear condition is not good. You can see this mark. Okay, our all gear setup is complete, and you can see this gear. This side is another structure, and this side also another structure. You just follow this here, and this whole side is going the down. Okay, that is the okay. And after that you just setting this here in this gear, and here is one spring. It will setting like this. Okay, this is very easy to set up, and you just take care of this gear. Here is one gear. You just pull down this, it will be set up easily. You just keep this plate the accurate measurement, and this is the measurement. Okay, and here is one spring, and it will be set up with this. Sorry, I am making this one is very tough to set up. This spring, this end will be set up this lock. This one is set up. After setting this, you just check this working or not. Okay, our printer setup is complete. Let's give the power. Report managed. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.